Copyright Act 1976, allowance is made for fair use for purposes such as criticism, comment, news reporting, scholarship, and research. Fair use is a use permitted by copyright statute that might otherwise be infringing. Nonprofit, educational, or personal use tips the balance in favor of fair use.
Come on, guys. Follow information. Let's go. Hey, Mish Mobb.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another video. Today we are talking about Zanadia Simone. We're going over to her channel. She's doing a haul for us and we're doing a day in the life reaction. So let's jump on over there. We're going to go ahead before we do that though and honor our Mish Mobb member for the episode. Our Mish Mobb member is Burma Shannon. She is a top commenter here, always very involved in the chats and always supporting the channel. And we really appreciate it, Burma. For those of you who would also like to be more involved in the channel, get more into the commentary and what is going on the channel, as well as give us more of what you have to offer and get more out of the channel, you can do so. Number one, by hitting that like button. Number two, you can hit that subscribe button and be sure to turn on those post notifications. Also, guys, if you care, please share the video and share our channel with those who may be interested in our commentary. Thank you so very much, guys, for taking the time to check out our channel. And like I said, please hit that like button. Let me go ahead and play our station break to give you a moment to do just that. Today's video is about Zanadia Simone, as I said, and we're going to go ahead and jump right on into the commentary. Oh, we don't have it set up. I forgot we went out and came back in. So let's go ahead and get that set up. Only takes a second. And let's get it. Let's go.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl's name Simone, back with the
And y'all remember the last video was her doing her hair. It's cute. She did it herself.
another video, and y'all, today is just gonna be a quick and little fast video. I'm just gonna be showing y'all everything that I got with my wig. I finally went and got my wig because one of my friends was telling me about all the stuff that she get for herself and her babies just by getting wig. And I ain't have it ever since I had Zelle, and it's totally different now. You can get so much stuff, and yeah, baby formula is high, so I'm happy that I did finally go and sign up for it, and I got approved for it. So this gonna be my first little wig grocery haul. I'm not gonna show y'all everything that I got because I ain't get a lot of this stuff, well, a few of these things off a week. So it's gonna be a quick and little fast video. Everything that I got, not including the baby milk, was like 127 or 130 something, but I ended up having to pay $10. I don't know what the $10 was for. I don't know what I accidentally picked up incorrect. So if y'all see something y'all think I got incorrect in the comments, y'all can just let me know. But of course, the first thing
Now, a lot of people would assume that just because she's a young mom that, you know, she takes advantage of things like that. Now, I don't know if she gets stamps or not. I've never heard her talk about it. We've actually never discussed things like that when it came to Zanadia, just because she's such an independent individual. I guess we just never had the thought, but I think she should have got WIC. I mean, it's a great service, and it's basically giving you the things that keep your kids healthy. And obviously, healthy kids mean less of a burden on the medical insurances that take care of the kids, which mean less money spent by the government.
I got is these cans of milk, the infamous acid reflex one, because I guess the baby got acid reflex. This is the only milk that worked for him. And I also got him a teething ring today. Well, a teething toy, because he definitely teething. But I can get 9 of these. The store didn't have all of them. I only got 5 today. But yeah, got all of these. And I was able to get 4 of these 100% apple juices.
Check this out. I'm going to show you how I afforded this car. Okay, you ready? All right,
And y'all kind of rushing because I got to go pick up Zelle, Javi, and Zedekiah today. It's just me, Paige, and TJ here. We went grocery shopping and stuff. And they at my mom's house, so yeah. I think I got 4 of these instant oatmeals. I thought I was gonna be able to get the little container of it. I want to open this and see what they look like. Okay, so yeah, these are the packs of the instant oatmeals. And I have 3 of these. Y'all, I was so nervous about using my card, so I didn't even get everything that I am able to get. I was nervous because I didn't want to pick up the wrong things. But I ended up getting most of the right things. I really don't know what I got wrong that I had to pay $10 for. Next, I got these Cheerios. And also these cornflakes. My grandma used to have these cornflakes. We used to always have to add sugar to them because they really ain't have no taste. But yeah. Dang, my blueberries came out. They gotta get washed anyway. I'm about to put all these blueberries back in this bag. I bought a blender today also, y'all, because I want to start making smoothies. Because I really don't be eating that much in the morning because I simply don't be having an appetite. But I want to start eating something in the morning. So I just got a blender so I can start making smoothies and stuff. So I got some blueberries, some onions, lemons. I got the lemons to put up in my ice water. I got 2 of these yogurts. I didn't even think that WIC would cover these, but they did. I got 2 of these. And you would think these are for the kids, but I actually love to eat these yogurts, so they for me. TJ like them too, though. TJ would eat them. Next, I got avocado. Y'all, I have never in my life ate an avocado, but I asked ChatGPT to give me some smoothie recipes, and they added banana and avocado in one of them, so I just got an avocado to try in one of my smoothies. If I like them, I'm going to go get some more. I got this Yoplait original strawberry yogurt. And please tell me, how do y'all do y'all oatmeal? I'm going to put my oatmeals in the smoothie, but I be seeing people like eat it like grits or something. So do you use milk? Do you use water? I had them before and they tasted like nothing but just water. So how do y'all make y'all oatmeal? I got 3.
Baby, oatmeal, you put sugar in it and you put butter in it. Some people actually put milk in it. I don't. But I definitely have to have sugar and butter.
Things of peanut butter. And even if we don't like eat all of this Cause I tried to get stuff that like this don't expire till April 16, 2027. Like I told Paige, I feel like something about to happen where everybody should be stocking their house up. And so I just ended up getting all 3 of them. And if I get them when I get them next month, I'm gonna get all 3 of the other ones. So I'm gonna try not to let my wick go to waste. You know, I'm gonna try to use them all. Next, I got these instant grits. Like, these are the pack of grits. I really wish that, let me make sure, these are the packs of grits. I wish that I could have got like the pack of it, you know, to just pour instead of these packets, but these was the only thing that I got approved for. Like the app, you can scan the UPC to see that you see if you can get it or not with the WIC card, and these was the only ones that would rank up and say that I could get them. So I got 2 boxes of these, and this will be good for in the morning, especially when Zelle and Javi start school. Even with the baby and TJ waking up in the morning and just fixing them some instant grits when I don't feel like cooking breakfast. But I got brown rice. I'm actually gonna try this brown rice tonight. I never tried brown rice with nothing I cook, so I hope it tastes good because it is gonna be healthier instead of the white rice. But I did end up getting white rice just in case I don't like how the brown rice tastes. Yeah, so I got another box of the brown rice. Some oranges. The kids love oranges, especially TJ and Javi. 1% milk. I don't think you can get whole milk with
WIC anymore. So I don't think you can. This was the only
thing that was ranking up that I could get. So yeah, 1% milk. I got whole kernel corn. I tried to get the what is it called? The sweet cream corn, but it wasn't approved for that one. So I got that corn. I'm gonna cook that tonight with the food that I cook. Don't do that, TJ. I got more milk. I mean more yogurt, vanilla yogurt. Paige said this yogurt good. Personally, I ain't never had it before, so. And also strawberries. TJ, get your. Get from out here. Come here. Come here. Say hey. Okay, now say bye. Bye. Next thing I got, y'all, are some apples. Tell me why these freaking apples, 6 apples, was $11.42. Like, this world, I don't know what's going on with this world, but 6 apples, almost $12. Like, that is just ridiculous. I am so grateful for this because, really.
Having insurance isn't the same as having State Farm. It's like getting Bateman when you need Batman. Stop.
What is this? Oh yeah, this is stuff I got with me too, but this stuff I did. Next, I got some eggs. Y'all, these baby bottles. Put them over there. I really think this is what I couldn't get on WIC and this mild cheddar cheese because I scanned this and it went through. So I'm really thinking it's these 2 that I wasn't supposed to get. I don't know, but I got all 3 of these. This one did go through and I scanned it. That's why I thought these 2 would work. But like I said, I don't know. It may not be this. It may be something else. But yeah, I got those things. I got cucumbers, 3 cucumbers. I love eating cucumbers with salt and pepper. And yeah. Also bananas. See this right here. And whole wheat bread. And I said if I don't like this, I'm probably gonna eat white rice, but I'm gonna try my hardest to eat it even if I don't like it because I really want us to be healthy. I really do. But yeah, y'all, if y'all want another little WIC haul, let me know in the comments. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one.
So tell me what you guys think about her wig haul. I do think it was smart for her friends to tell her that she definitely needs to um she needs to take advantage of what she can get, not only to keep her kids healthy, but to save money. I mean, in this day and time, this young lady is paying her own rent. I mean, she's got a man that's working. I don't know if she gets stamps or not, but she's definitely not trying to overburden a system for people that don't do. So, I mean, the system is for people like her. Um, you can use the available subsidies to help you and your family, but you're not supposed to create a life around the subsidies like somebody like Sky is doing. Tell me what y'all think about the fact that she did decide to go ahead and finally get a wig, and that she didn't have it with her other kids and her haul. Quite frankly, she got a lot of stuff at no cost for her family. Hell, these days, if you get wig, all you really got to buy is damn meat. Anyway, guys, tell me what y'all think, and we'll talk about it in the comments below. Thank you so very much, and I'll see y'all in the next video.
She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mud. She said, take your time, what's the rush? I said, baby, I'm a dog, I'm a mud. I'm a dog, I'm a mud. I get smoked already, so hard in my blunt is. I see guys' pretty faces, so I got trouble trusting.